Hello friends, welcome to Nursery Live. Plants are known to boost up our mood and bring life into our spaces, but they can do a lot more than that. Plants are essential for purifying air and can be connected into our overall health. So, if you don't have plants in your offices, you should probably think about adding some. So, Nursery Live brings you a perfect plant pack, tabletop office desk plant for removing indoor toxins. In this plant pack, you will get spider plant, Peperomia, and money plant, and with these plants, you will also get colorful pots. Indoor air pollution is a great threat for human health, and pollutants like formaldehyde, xylene, benzene comes from various sources, and these toxins are most commonly found in airtight rooms with limited circulation like offices. Plants in this pack are excellent air purifier and easy to maintain. So, bringing these plants in your offices can make surrounding air clean by removing harmful toxins. So friends, make your colleagues and yourself happy and healthy by bringing these plants. Further description and price details are given in the bio. Thank you.